Jeez. They're just guiding us out again.
Get a lemon bar, a flour chocolate or two of those left. Good name for the order?
Joey.
Joey.
These sound kind of amazing too. You ready? Maybe it'll be when we go to college and we can get it by ourselves. Are we ready? Oh, that's funny. This is delicious.
Rainy day today. What's going on here?
I have a spoon towards my mouth.
I don't know. It's all over everywhere.
It's the
Spoon ya?
Darcy? Darcy?
Look at that. I don't think you're supposed to eat that. I don't know. You could, maybe. That's like a moose. That's a moose. It's mommy's moose.
Oh, how is it? Oh, you've seen those things so far.
Cheese.
Let's see how it compares to Jerome's.
Two babies.
There's a birdie.
Bird on me.
You can see it. Oh, there's a lot of like flies or whatnot. I mean, that mom is
Look at the babies.
Oh my gosh, look at those babies. One has one of the little ball looking things. And the other doesn't.
Oh yeah, like the.
Okay. You ready? Wait, where is it? Oh, it's... You ready? I'm gonna turn it. Dun 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 dun. Let's. It's babies. Oh, hey little guy. Look at the big mama. They're all eating grass. They're all so happy. I wonder where the male one is. You know, you would probably wonder where the male is. I have no idea. And I don't want to know. The male is more aggressive than the female. Hi. Not trying to kill us at least. Yeah, that's a plus. Now the male's bigger than that one over there. The male would care. The male would just be like, you get away. You get away. Okay.
Whiskers. A rookery. We learned about the rookery, right? Oh, is that an otter? Oh, otter?
Made it water repellent.
Seal intestines.
With grass stitching.
What the birds are gone.
Is that fox?
Anymore. I was here 4 months, starting November. One behind the hill. First one, yeah. I'd like to get home back for $10,000. Began according to our records in 1921. It was in this year that 7 new foxes were placed on HFP.
Puffins are so cool.
But you know what's in here?
Oh my god.
It's a puff one.
That's a puffin though? Doesn't look like a puffin.
It's a baby puffin.
So those the 2 volcanoes right here.
Squish.
Little things. What French fries? Hey, McDonald's.
Bro, it's a
Had
McDonald's.
some McDonald's.
Yeah, the grimace.
Draw your favorite animal that is protected by Alaskan Maritime National Wildlife Refuge. Tell us why it is your favorite. Godzilla.
I don't see anything that says why it's their favorite.
Oh my god! Mosquito!
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
What's your creature?
The Walmart bird.
What the heck? -1.
Causes upwellings that stir nutrients up from the bottom, bringing them to the surface to nourish phytoplankton. Prevailing winds and storms drive the currents on the surface. Ingredients for an especially rich, nutritional soup that feeds marine life in the refuge. Like shearwaters from New Zealand, salmon from North America and Asia, whales from Hawaii, Mexico, and Japan.
Yeah. looks pretty photoshopped.
That is. Sea cucumber. Oh, it's an octopus.
Gosh. It feels weird. Feels squishy. It doesn't. Ew, it makes a crunchy sound. I'm actually biting. Oh, it's ewy. The anemone and the octopus are kind of like slimy.
That's
Actually, for once,
Photoshop.
it is.
It's not real. They blurred all this. You can see they blurred it. I mean, it looks a little tiny stream. And then there's these big creatures that look small in the photo. Mommy hopes to see a moose.
This is Photoshop.
That's real life. Maybe we'll see it by Denali.
There's some fish in there. Those aren't real. Those are photoshopped.
Oh, alright.
Please don't climb. Okay, this is the start of looking for the grimace shake so that we can die. Or whatever it does.
That looks like grimace. It's not purple.
What the heck? Okay, my father is going crazy. He thinks everything now looks like grimace.
That's purple. Those plants.
What? So, the last McDonald's we went to didn't have the grimace shake. Okay, that's a little unnerving.
Alaska doesn't have grimace shake.
Okay, I just want an Alaskan grimace shake. I don't know. It's different than all the other grimace shakes. It's colder.
We're in a bigger town.
We should have asked why they're out.
It doesn't exist.
They only went to certain cities.
They banned it because people were dying. Banned it. I thought Alaska doesn't ban stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put down the window so you can see true glory. Okay, come back when we find or maybe get to the next McDonald's. Okay, adios. It's babies. Oh, hi, little guy. Look at the big mama. They're all eating grass. They're all so happy. I wonder where the male one is.